That's not how you do where you're supposed to go to do your homework. Mommy talked to grandma. I heard mommy talking to grandma. She said, you're such a, why do you do?
Miss Mundy's coming on soon.
Miss Mundy's not your mom. Mommy's your mommy.
Because if I don't hurry up and do the classroom, she's gonna get
Miss
mad.
Mundy's not your mom. Mommy's your mommy.
My mechanical pencil.
No, I didn't do that. I'm older, so I know better. I know exactly what you're supposed to do. And that's not what you're supposed to do. And you could use my pencils are better.
Grandma.
What is going on out here?
Tell her leave me alone. I have to look for my mechanical pencil because Miss Mundy's coming on. She's gonna teach me math, and I've never done math before. And I don't know.
You chat too much. Don't be nice in my head, man. Ah, listen, you left her. Make she do her work.
Is it there?
Now what are you looking for?
My mechanical pencil.
You what?
She wants her mechanical pencils.
Yes, I'm my Oh, it's my mechanical pencil. Okay.
Look at your head, how it favor rope.
Grandma, it's a hairstyle. My mommy did my hair.
Hairstyle. You see anybody out there born with purple hair?
I like purple. Miss Mundy's coming out.
Alright, let me see what Miss Mundy has said.
Okay, I have to press the button. Mommy said to press the button.
Good morning, boys and girls, and how
Hi,
are you
Miss
doing? It's
Mundy.
Miss Mundy. It's so nice to see you all. Yesterday in our lesson, we were talking about math, and we're learning how to add and subtract. Now, were you able to complete those questions from yesterday? Because today, I'm going to give you 2 more. Our first question for the day is 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 equals.
So, okay. 3.
Our next question is 8 take away 3. So put your 8, do your takeaway sign, 3, and don't forget to do your equal sign.
8. Oh, Miss Mundy.
Now, to help you out, you can ask mom or dad or grandma or any adult that's in the house with you. And don't forget, you also need to finish yesterday's questions because tomorrow we're going to put them all together and do all of these questions. And let's see how awesome we are at adding and subtraction. I can't wait to hear all of your answers. Have a good night, boys and girls. Take care. Bye.
This is so hard. Math's so hard.
Well, make me help you. Your mother asked me to help you, so make me help you.
Mommy said you're gonna help me? Yay! Yay! I get help from grandma. I get help from grandma. I get help from grandma.
All right. So, let me look now. All right. Let me see now.
I don't know how to do that.
2 and, oh, that no hard. 2 and 2. What is 2 and 2?
Grandma, I don't understand.
2 and 2. What is 2 and 2 and 2? 2 and 2. What is 2 and 2?
But grandma, but grandma, you know why? That's not how Miss Mundy says it.
So what she say?
Miss Mundy says 2 plus 2 equals, and that's what we have to do. 2 plus 2. She says we have to add it together, and that's what makes
Addition.
I was gonna say that. You have to add it together. So 2 plus 2.
Then I know the same thing. 2 and 2 is 2 and 2 is 2 and 2.
That's not how Miss Mundy says it.
And me I teach you, or Miss Mundy I teach you. What is 2 and 2?
It's 22.
Why you don't behave yourself?
But Grandma, 2 and 2 is 22.
You never pass maths, don't it? As some me learn 2 and 2 and I know 22.
But Grandma, she doesn't know math. She's new to math. So you have to teach math to her like how her teacher teaches her.
Then wait, what make me have to teach you like the teacher? Oh no, me are the teacher right now.
Just to do it like Miss Mundy, it's 2 plus 2. You have to use your fingers.
Okay.
If you can't get it from 2 and 2, something wrong with that.
2 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4?
Yes, is 4. Is 4.
4.
Is 4.
Yay! Grandma help me with my homework. Grandma help me with homework. Grandma help me with homework. Okay, the grandma, this one's hard. This one is hard for me.
All right. Okay. All right. That one is a little bit more tricky. All right. 5 from 7.
5 from 7.
5 from 7.
What do you do? 5 from 7?
5 from 7. 5 from 7.
I don't know what that means.
Grandma, 5 from 7?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Grandma, that's not how you say it.
Oh, you mean?
I'm confused, Grandma. I don't know.
Nothing to confuse about. 5 from 7.
That's not how Miss Mundy says it.
Don't chat to me about Miss Mundy. And Miss Mundy turn up your side teacher.
That's 7. Take away 5. Or 7. It's a big word. 7. Track 5. 7 track.
Subtract.
I was gonna say that.
Then I know the same thing.
Grandma, this is new days. You can't teach it like the olden days, Grandma. It's not like that. You can't say 5 from 7, Grandma.
One egg.
You have to say it how she's new to math. You have to say it properly. The teacher's not here. You have to teach us. Mommy said you have to teach her properly. So you have to teach her properly, Grandma. That's how a teach her.
What make me have to do it like that and she not have to do it like how me do it?
Because Grandma, she get in trouble.
That's not how Miss Mundy teaches.
What?
She teach me about
What me say?
Grandma, don't you know that when you're teaching children, you have to be consistent?
You know, you're just like your mother. Same like your mother. Stay same way like your mother.
Grandma, you have to help her with her math.
She teach me about
Addition.
I was gonna say that. And then take away.
Subtraction.
I was gonna say that.
Well, you can't say the word. And Grandma, can't say. Grandma, you have to teach it like how the teacher is teaching it. That's what I said. Because she's going to go in the class and the teacher's going to look at her and say, what do you mean 2 and 2?
That's how Miss Mundy teaches.
What me say? I saw me learn. What me say? You not tell me nothing about Miss Mundy. I saw me learn in a school.
Grandma, do you want her to succeed?
You know what? Me done. Uno do to yourself.
But
No,
Grandma,
me don't.
like
Uno
when
do
you
to
help us
yourself.
do home,
No,
do-
no, no,
do
no,
homework,
no,
you
no.
can.
Your sister can't help you.
I don't
Me
wanna
not-
help
no,
you.
You're gonna help her.